Manyiso nango. If the counties can't do that within a week, then the national government will absorb them. Nisoni now there's a transfer of functions. County do national government.
No. What it means is that you see the health care in this country is a shared function. It means that the devolution fully to the counties are from level 5s, 4, 3, 2, are within the counties.
Yes.
While in the national one, level 6 facilities and the programs that are run and the policies.
Policies, yeah.
So of these UHC workers that are varied cadres, near counties, there were like a capacity building that happened during the from COVID-19 period. Osachgi chul national, but gitye counties. Just like interns. You get almost 6,000 interns or different cadres to gitye counties. Kuro onge winjruok eki national government gi county government. To winjruok ni kama en wach pesa. En pesa majio onge agreement on. National government watching one conditional grant mar 8.5 billion ego kauru jogi uketa ngawa PNP to county watching no okwatamore lakini conditional grant kumi mar 8.5 billion this year. Next year brocho window wachako kuwa ngawa conditional grant kolo kedo gi PNP era kwa chulo gi kolo gi watching ka pesa ni ikete equitable share Mar counties, Makoro, it is not in the goodwill of national government. Makoro get yogi PNP. To call national, no. One of our time. Koko kaogi to whether they transfer in that in the national facilities. But counties oko trust ni pesa nibo make next year, the other year as it continues.
Okay.
So that mistrust, there's a lot of push and pull between national government and the county government. Counties actually sometimes or get chul salaries on time or state reduction on time get peso deko. Masani kana one conference ne summit ni. Actually person actually peso se bureau in counties. Nangu po get chul. Magada kana county kama nela mboko chul bishangweni. Kwani pesa ni jipejo ni odikubre. Kurumane omio king those problems. Actually there's need to be a centralized way of managing this. Ma ensure ni koro msala michulonga the account is money kukitaka chulonga do kendo. But we have to get it in a way that is not undermining what? The devolution. Mashani gets masa yodo a devolution of healthcare should not be hampered with in the process of actually ensuring that this human resource component of it is in a centralized way. Because the governance will kaponi obedo centralized kakoro TSC. Timubedo gi healthcare workers maybe a facilities or a county. So you don't have control over them. Money was one firm again go. But if you look at it critically, based on how statistics have shown, there is actually need for that.
Nitire dwaro mondo gibed ni jotich mag thieth nitire gi kargi kata duol mang'iyo
kata mana council of governors no nyabedo gi a centralized system of way matimo gini makata koro bedo gi budget ma every year gindi koji all these things are done centrally but in a way that ensures that devolution continues. Devolution has its gains ma ko nyal ignore.
Sani koponi serikal mamalo ogolo jothieth ma gin jo USC kaka jatend piny oliekono mokawo gi mocho ni koro wadwa manage gi waket gi facilities mag serikal mamalo kuom ranyisi ma weyo japiny kanye manitiere kor gweng' kuchande.
Ingeni 8,000 healthcare workers gin joma ng'eny wan gi doctors kanya I think around 200 wan gi nurses kanyo karibu alfa deg yuye wan gi clinical officers kanyo wan gi all these cadres eyeka koro gini nyiso ni health workers matiyo to jogi tiyo facilities e counties magi doctors magi jothieth doctors nurses matiyo counties ko golgi nyiso ni kaponi ni hospital moro nitie kara dispensary health na mwenye nurses ariyo to nyiso ni koro mano dhi bed maonge jothieth to ko nyiso ni counties pesa magi en gocha dhi chulo gini ko nyaka gindik jothieth kanyo to mano dhi affect pesa magi dhi tiyogo for example nyiewo yedhe reagents. It's a support actually konyo counties. Yes. To be kaponi gibedo PNP to next year okome counties pesa to gini gisida bikini.
Kuro serikali mamalo urako counties.
Kaponi gidhi kasto pesa okome giga manyien. Nisi pesa magini kumatincha. Kuro gidhi chuno ina gidhi. Kuro gini there will be no difference kagindi ko jomo. in that case. To mano tipo ni kechonge trust. Kapoli ne national government, county government, winjo ne kaka giwacho ni. Apani gi dobe ni no satimore. Kora I believe in 1 week magemi oreni. Gidhi winjo re mondo gindikre mondo at least jogi obed omegi boru mag PNP mondo gimed konyo ji e counties. Nikech national ka ngini kiwacho ni itoro jel for boro national MTRH, Madare, QTRH, GKNH, jo piny ka eliwe maonge thieth maywarore. To ideally onego sirikal mamalo med jo counties pesa mandiko jotich.
Okay.
Yeah. Lakini hiyo manifesto mar sirikal ne giwacho ni gibo ndiko 20,000 healthcare workers. Manyoro kanno penjo ker ni pok ondikgi. Ne giwacho ni ka gidonjo to gibo ndiko jotich 1,20,000. Kinyo numbers of doctors counties ma every year work jo nurses ma work every year ka dhipi maoko ma retire ng'eny kabisa. Omiyo shortages to nitie. Magasani ka jo dhi hospital to budho ndalo mang'eny kapok oyudo ang'o oyudo services nikech shortages go.
Okay.
To counties wacho ni pesa ma gin go gisechopo selling point mok ginyal ndiko ji.
Okay. Nyaka gi sani